Presenting Radiant Fabrik Backlit Backdrop. Elevate your BTL activity with a backdrop designed to stand out. In the dynamic world of campaigns, let your brand shine from every angle. Easy to carry and quick to set up, Radiant Fabrik Frame Backdrop features a double-sided backdrop design that installs in minutes with no tools required. Updating your message is a breeze. Just peel off the old graphic and apply the new one on both the sides in seconds. Our durable and eco-friendly fabric gives a flawless look every time. Perfect for conferences, seminars, BTL promotion and retail spaces. This backdrop blends effortlessly into any environment, ensuring visibility from both the sides. With stunning backlit graphics and dual-sided design, your brand will never get unnoticed. Our bright LED lighting makes sure that your message stands out, day or night, from every angle. It's portable, cost-effective, and reusable up to 50 times. Elevate your brand presence with Radiant Fabrik Backlit Backdrop. It has quality, savings, and stability, all in one bright package. Contact us today to make sure that your next event is unforgettable.